Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love lemon, I love chicken, so we put this baked lemon chicken dish together with some spices like oregano, thyme. Incredibly delicious. You're gonna love it. So let me walk you through this. So what I have here are 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can use any cut you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and season these up with some salt, pepper, one of my all-time favorite spices. And of course you're going to do this on both sides. Next up, I got a pan over medium-high heat. And I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then add in 5 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to brown these up for about a minute. Now the garlic is kind of browned, incredibly fragrant. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of cooking wine. And you can use white wine if you like, but I just like cooking wine. And the juice of 1 lemon, and I'm just gonna kind of squeeze this in. Now we've got a boil going on here. I'm just gonna turn off the heat. Pour the sauce over the chicken. Oh, you wouldn't believe how good this smells. And we're gonna cut another lemon in half and make some lemon slices. Then we're going to place them around the chicken. This is going to be so good. Now we're going to place these into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius preheated oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. And there you have it, guys, our zesty baked lemon chicken. Incredibly delicious. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. I've got to get some lemon here. This is so good. The acidity of the lemon. The chicken is so tender. The sauce, the spices. They're so great. You got to make this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. You're going to love the stuff there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And see you next time.